issued a special marine warning for Pamlico Sound over Atlantic offshore waters, including Hoboken, Oriental at the mouth of the Neuse River, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a cluster of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over the mouth of the Neuse River, moving northeast at 10 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near western Pamlico Sound at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high wave heights, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service Office. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday evening for eastern North Carolina.